You've probably seen Punch, the baby monkey going viral. He gets pushed, chased, sometimes knocked aside by other monkeys, and your first reaction is probably the same as everyone else's. That's bullying, and honestly, it does look harsh. But before we decide what's happening, we need to understand how macaque society actually works. Punch is a Japanese macaque, and macaques live in a strict dominance hierarchies. Every monkey has a rank. Every interaction communicates status. Who moves first? Who yields? Who grooms who? It's a constant negotiation. Punch was abandoned and raised by humans. That means he didn't grow up learning the subtle social language most baby macaques observe from their mothers, such as the right facial expressions, the correct posture of submission, or the timing of approach. So when Punch enters the troop and misreads those cues, the group responds: a push, a chase, a quick display of dominance. To us, that feels like bullying. To them, it's correction. In fact, primatologist Bernard Theory studied Japanese macaques and observed that juveniles who misread social signals were often corrected through mild aggression or dominance displays. It wasn't random cruelty, it was how hierarchy is maintained and how young monkeys learn boundaries. In other words, the troop isn't targeting Punch because they're evil, they're enforcing structure, and in primate societies, structure equals stability. Now here's where it gets deeper. While the troop is enforcing hierarchy, Punch is clinging to his orangutan toy for comfort, and that behavior isn't random either. In the 1950s, psychologist Harry Harlow conducted one of the most famous and controversial studies in psychology. He separated infant rhesus monkeys from their mothers and gave them two surrogate options: one made of cold wire that provided milk, and one soft cloth mother that provided no food. You would think that survival would win. It didn't. The babies overwhelmingly chose the soft mother. They ran to her when frightened. They clung to her for comfort. They used her as a secure base to explore the world. Harlow showed something powerful. Attachment isn't just about food. It's about warmth, security, social emotional regulation. And that's exactly what Punch is doing. His stuffed toy functions like a surrogate attachment figure. It helps regulate stress. It gives him a sense of safety when social interactions become overwhelming. But remember, he didn't receive early maternal attachment from his own species, and early attachment in primates shapes stress tolerance, confidence, and social integration. So what's really happening? The troop isn't necessarily bullying in a human sense. They're enforcing hierarchy and correcting behavior. But Punch may feel more vulnerable because he didn't get the early attachment foundation that teaches emotional regulation and social timing. So when correction happens, it hits harder. And the toy, that's not weakness, that's regulation, that's resilience. That's a young primate trying to stabilize his nervous system in a world that feels unpredictable. Punch's story feels emotional because we're watching two powerful biological systems collide: hierarchy and attachment. The troop maintains order, Punch seeks comfort, and in the middle of it, we see something very familiar: a small individual trying to belong in a complex social world. If you watched till the end, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed and would like more of these videos in the future. Thank you.